Here at Mitotec Precision, intricately milled parts that matter is what we do. Whether your application requires machining from solid raw material, you're utilizing castings, metal injection moldings, 3D printing, or other near-net shaped parts, our team of engineers and machinists understand the challenges that come with them all. Our machining centers are specifically designed to be more efficient at running milled parts. We're equipped to build multi-cavity fixtures, which allows us to load more parts into a machine at one time. One of the challenges with metal injected molded parts or near-net shaped parts is that they're generally small and have a lot of contours to them. Our engineers can overcome this with datum locations and hydraulic components that we design in-house to allow us to fixture these parts. Most hydraulic companies that make hydraulic fixtures or clamps don't offer clamps for tiny parts. Most of the parts we make are smaller than their hydraulic cylinders, so we need to design our own hydraulic components so we can locate these parts how we need to. During process development, we do capability studies on each individual fixture location, and then we bring them all together to get an overall process capability. We utilize quick change pallets that are pinned accurately to the table. In addition, we use fixtures that are all pinned and located consistently every time they're taken off and put on. This leads to quicker setups, and we can prove out the capability of our processes faster. Our team gets creative and builds in repeatability to the process by finding ways to leverage hydraulic clamping into the small areas where others don't go. The consistency of hydraulic clamping makes sure the parts are located effectively every time. A challenge with MIM parts is warpage, shrinkage, and inconsistency in the casting. And that's pretty much the same challenges you come across with a lot of near-net style shaped raw material. We're able to utilize our software, locate off the datums, and adjust for any type of warpage or shrinkage to features that may not matter. We'll locate off the features that do matter and machine the parts to those. The large working envelope of 3.5 cubic feet allows us to load multiple parts in multiple fixtures on the machine at the same time. This is beneficial for those jobs where we would otherwise need to fixture the parts more than once. We're able to do it within the same setup. Our machining centers are capable of spindle speeds up to 16,000 RPMs. This allows us to effectively cut with drills or mills under 20 thousandths in diameter. We can tap holes up to 6,000 RPMs and can cut at over 400 inches a minute. With the 6,000 RPMs, we're able to use very small milled cutters and back chamfering tools, so we can drill and ream holes and still achieve the surface finishes that are required for those small tools. On the Brother Mill, we've upgraded the spindles to a Big Plus taper, which allows the tools to be located more accurately in the spindle chucks and more robust for milling applications. It can hold up to 24 tools and can change tools in under a second. Our chip-to-chip time comes in at around 1.5 seconds. Our machines have high-pressure coolant around and through the spindles, improving chip control and tooling life. Our Niken rotary axis tables are robust and accurate, up to plus or minus 20 seconds, or 5 thousandths of a degree. Once we have your parts locked in and located, we use our ability to rotate the fixtures with fourth axis machining. And we make sure that the parts we make can hold the three-dimensional relationships and tolerances you require. We like to fixture it once and produce all the features at the same time so their relationship to each other stays the same. Machining it with fourth axis, being able to rotate it around, we're able to locate off the specific datum features that you need and locate all the parts within them. It also reduces the need for extra fixturing and saves time. Rather than taking the part out, reclamping it, and refixturing it in another machine, it allows us to produce a more complete part in one continuous process, while holding true positions under 5 thousandths depending on the application. We built automation into our processes. All the loading and unloading is outside of the machine on our pallet changer, so the machining can be taking place while the fixtures are loading and unloading. The pallet changers bring the parts directly in front of the employee to reduce movement And we've implemented automatic doors to reduce operator fatigue as well. Our machines with pallet changers allow for our fixtures to be loaded outside of the machining process and can load a new pallet as fast as 3.5 seconds. This means our machining centers are more efficient, and all this adds up to savings for you, our customer. So when you need machining on your small, intricately milled parts, think Mitotec Precision, where we make the parts that matter.